Hey guys, how's it going? How to get show recommendations on Amazon Prime Video. Log into your account and then go to the home or navigate to the home section. Scroll through the recommendations for you and topics for you sections which are based on your viewing history. Browse through categories like trending, new releases, or specific genres to find tailored suggestions, and then type in specific genres or keyword to discover related shows. These features will help you discover new content based on your preferences. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.